howdy, and welcome back to A Texan Shaves, Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements 2025 Advent Calendar, Day 8. Day 8! I can't believe how far we are already. Man, we only have 4 more days. Let's get into it. Alright, Day 8, right here. Last one on the second row. Only one more row to go. And tear properly, please. Okay. There we go. Yeah, let's see what we got here. All right. Okay. All right. So, for day 8, we have lemon lozenge. All right. I guess Cube's the lozenge. Look at that face he's making. Wow. All right, I'm expecting lemon. Let's take a sniff. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's got a bit of an effervescence to it, too. Oh, that's nice. Let's take a look at the ingredients. Denatured alcohol, rose hydrosol, essential and fragrance oil, glycerin, aloe benzoin resin, and elf pocket lint. And there's the splash, guys. Lemon lozenge. That's funny. You know what it kind of smells like? Don't laugh. Off the soap. Now, this isn't the full body of the fragrance, but off the soap, it reminds me, with that effervescence that I'm getting, it reminds me of Alka-Seltzer Cold, the old original lemon lime Alka-Seltzer Cold, the tablets that fizz. Yeah, it does. That is good, though. I like that scent. All right, let's read it. Lemon lozenge. Here is the write-up. All right, scent profile, sweetened mellow lemon cough syrup. Every childhood Christmas had 2 guarantees, presents under the tree and a cold that hit harder than any snowstorm. Enter the humble lemon lozenge. Sunlight and candy form, soothing sore throats while Mom insisted on bundling you in 3 scarves. Forget eggnog and gingerbread. The true holiday flavor of survival was lemon. I used to get like a honey and lemon hot toddy type thing also as a kid, which that's kind of reminding me of that. There's just something sparkly about this one, though. That little wax paper wrapped lozenge tart as a citrus comet carried us through colds, coughs, and endless reruns of National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation. For some, cough cough, nostalgia is a season classic by default. Can I refill your eggnog for you, get you something to eat, drive you out to the middle of nowhere and leave you for dead? All right. That was a quote at the bottom. All right. Okay, so let me set this out of the way. I've got stuff falling everywhere. I'm going to get the hardware and the lather together, and we'll be right back. All right, we're back. I got the lather whipped up. Beautiful, beautiful lather. Decided to go with the Doppler since it was lemon lozenge. I thought that matched. Look at that great lather there. And because I had such a great shave last time when I did a face shave, I'm using the Phoenix Starling again. Same blade, second use. Really had a fantastic shave with that. So let's get the glasses off now. I did put some of the splash on. I forgot to do it while I was recording, but I did put some of the splash on my wrist before I started lathering. And it is straight up what it says it is. It's a candy lemon lozenge. Not getting quite as much as that effervescence that I was getting off the soap, but it is a very good lemon. I'm enjoying that a lot. All right, so let's get the face wet and let's get this shave going. All right. Beautiful. perfect lather. All right. So, Christmas topic. I know I've asked in the past, and it's a pretty traditional question on what was the best Christmas gift you thought you ever got. I don't know if I've ever asked this though. What was the best Christmas gift that you ever gave? At least you felt was the best one you ever gave. And I was thinking about it while I was thinking of that question, and I don't know, you know? I don't know. I'm the kind of person that I prefer to give than receive as far as when it comes to Christmas. So I think they're all pretty special. My girls are always asking me, you know, every year what I want for Christmas. And I tell them, you know, anything I want, I can get myself. And I know it kind of makes them feel awkward, but there's really nothing I do want. I'm honest with them. I'm always completely honest with them. But I always tell them everything they give me is fantastic. Anything they've ever given me for Christmas, I've 100% enjoyed, used, put into use, keep on my desk, or whatever it is. They always do a fantastic job anyway. But I just have a hard time answering that question. But as far as probably the best gift I've given, I still don't know. I was the whole time I was thinking this question up. I was like, well, what are you going to answer, Barry? And I don't know. And I've been itching that bump all day. Something bit me right there, and I just took the top off. And now it's all nice and bloody, or it was a pimple coming up. Not sure if it was something bit me or what, but well, it shouldn't itch now, right? So I realize it's unfair of me to ask that question without being able to answer it myself. So I'm going to have to do some more thinking on it. I may end up answering that question in another video if I don't think of one by the time this video is over. That being said, I still want to hear your answers if you'll share with me on what you think the best Christmas gift you ever gave was. Fantastic. I'm still quiet when I do that area. Sorry. Still not used to it. All right, let's go for the second pass. Well, I did a real good job on that little spot, didn't I? Super lemony. It's so lemony. It's an interesting lemon though. It's not like zest. It's not like rind. It's definitely sweeter, but it's not quite like candy, like Lifesavers candy either. There's something else to it. I think there's a little honey. Like a lemon honey lozenge. It didn't say it in the description, right? Just said sweetened mellow lemon cough syrup. But I feel like it's a honey lemon, but I could be wrong. It's probably just the sweetness throwing me off, but there's another note in there that I can't quite put my finger on. Or I could just be nose blind. I don't have the best nose, guys. I do like this one, though. It's fun. Even though it talks about cough syrup and it being lemon lozenge, I can definitely see using this in the hot summer months as a freshie, for sure. Oh, that was good. All right. Perfect. All right. All right. Need to rinse, come back up for the splash. My final thoughts. Be right back. All right. It is lemony fresh in here. Whew. Let me tell you. Wonderful. Ooh, that was a fantastic shave. All right. Lemon lozenge with Elf Pocket Lint. Go lint. All right. You know what this reminds me of? I got a flash of it for a second, then it left my head. You know, when you get older, that happens. Like, you have the answer and it's gone at the same time. What is that? What was it? There was something that popped in my head of what this reminds me of, and it just... Oh, I can't remember. Oh, but that is so good. So good. Lemon lozenge, day 8. Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements 2025 Advent Calendar. Let me know down below what you think so far, the first 8 days of the calendar. I'd like to know what your thoughts are about everything. Find your peace in what and where you can. Have a very Merry Christmas. We'll see you next time on A Texan Shaves. Goodbye.